Close my eyes so I can see memories recall. You were right in front of me, scared to lose it all. I believe you could be the light through all the darkness of me. You could be the one. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go, but I'm here waiting for a lifetime. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go, but I'm still waiting for a lifetime. You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me, we were close but so far away. If we had just one night, we could reach the stars. 'Cause you're always on my mind. For you, I risk it all. I believe through all the darkness of me, you could be the one. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go, but I'm here waiting for a lifetime. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go, but I'm still waiting for a lifetime. You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me.
අද travel කරන්න ආවේ රත්නපුර පැත්තට. අපි දැන් රත්නපුරේ වටවල කියලා තැන තමයි ඉන්නේ. වටවල කිව්වොත් එහෙම කරවිට ටවුන් එකට ඇවිල්ලා ටවුන් එකෙන් තමයි මේ පැත්තට එන්න තියෙන්නේ. අපි ආවේ වටවල ඇල්ල බලන්න. ඒ තියෙන්නේ අපි කියාපු ඇල්ල. වතුර හරිම සීතලයි. දැන් යන්න තමයි හදන්නේ. අනිවාර්යෙන්ම අපේ channel එක subscribe කරන්න. ඒ වගේම තමයි comments like දාන්න. ඉතින් තවත් ලස්සන වීඩියෝ එකකින් ඊළඟ දවසේ හමු වෙමු. ගොඩක් දුර ගිහිල්ලා නේද ආවේ. එයනවා කාර් එක.